Hello, Dr. Les Wilson here, CannaChefMD, cooking with Dr. Les, learning with Dr. Les, and now we're going to be learning with Dr. Les, okay? So we want to make this channel entertaining, educational, funny, but really the education is one of the things I want to bring. Having my experience, I really want to bring that to everybody across the world. And talking to people and evaluating them as far as their medical cannabis, I've learned that so many people really don't know anything about the cannabis plant. They don't know anything about the endocannabinoid system, how it works, where it works, why it works, will it work. They just don't have any knowledge. So what we want to do is we want to bring knowledge to people in the community. And that can be done a variety of ways. So one thing that I thought about was just, what about decarboxylation? Everybody knows what decarboxylation is. Some people do, but it involves having the THCA, the acidic portion of the molecule, converted with heat to the decarboxylated, take off that carboxyl, and you have THC or tetrahydrocannabinol. So that's one of the things, but we'll get into other things like terpenes, the history, everything. But what I'm going to do is sign off with a characteristic sign off each and every time. And it's going to be peace and be wild. Over and out.